Hello everyone. Hope you are doing good. I'm going live just to help all of you in business analysis, and probably that will help all of you, including whoever joins, right? Let's see. If you guys having a question, please ask it here. Let me know so that I can help you out understanding. But anyway, let's talk about a concept for prioritization, right? Before, if someone asks, I'll answer it, and in between I'll talk about different concepts for all of you. See, priority in Agile is taken care with Moscow as a technique. So ideally what happens, you prioritize your requirements using Moscow as a technique, right? Okay, then what is Moscow? Moscow is ideally a technique, right? Am I audible? Hope I'm audible. Can you guys confirm if I'm audible? Okay. So what happens in Moscow? In Moscow, we, let's say for an example, we have a software to build, and that software you are envisioning with a list of features amounting to, let's say, 200 features. Okay. In those 200 features, you need to start prioritizing your requirements, right? How do you do it? Number one, you create multiple buckets of priority, and with those multiple buckets you are going to put all your requirements. Okay, when do you prioritize? You start prioritizing the requirement when you complete your functional requirements and business requirements, ideally, right? But you can also start prioritizing with your business requirements as well. All right. Okay, so what do? You create a list of features and then you assign a tag to it. There are four different tags in priority. One is must have, number two is should have, number three is could have, and number four is would have. Right? In all of those, in all of those buckets, these 200 features that is essentially needed for your application will be categorized. Okay, what is number one? Number one is must have. In must have, you are going to talk about those features which are very important for your need. I mean, the need that you have, the requirements that you have. Okay, meaning that without those features, the software that you are actually planning to develop is not going to work. Perfect. Okay, in such a case, for an example, if you take an example, registration is an essential function in every other website today, right? So with registration, you can actually do each and every activity in a particular website, right? So that registration is must, and that is one must have feature, right? Similarly, there are should have features. Should have is the next category. First category is must have. Next category is should have. Category number three is could have. And category number 4 is would have. Okay. Next, second list of categories are should have, wherein you ideally go back with those features which are ideally a need of that particular requirements group, but it is the next set of priority then Moscow. Maybe it is again must have, but it depends on those one of those features which are listed as must have features, right? Okay, this is the next category of feature that you are going to do in a while using Moscow technique, right? Okay. Category number 3 is would have. These are the feature sets or list of features that you need, but these are good to have features. For an example, if you are buying a car, then sunroof is not a necessary thing. Yes, it's good to have features, look and feel, good look and feel, good vibes, good experience you can actually get with it, right? So the car that you are planning to develop will run or buying without this feature as well. Okay. And last set of feature would have features. Okay. What are those would have features? Would have features are those set of features which is you may need that feature after a year, or you are good if that feature is released after a year, 2 year or so. All right. So this is what is Moscow technique. Perfect. If you guys having a question, please let me know. I'll answer it. Do you guys understand what I'm saying? Yes. Looks like there are very less people today. I see only one viewer who is watching me right now. So looks like that is not useful, and he is not having a question today as well. So let's drop this plan of going live today, and we'll go live next week Saturday. Or we will go with a planned live session that probably might help everyone. All right. Thanks everyone for watching me live, and thanks. Have a very good rest of your day. Bye bye.